All right, y'all, so I'm back with another wig review. It's your girl Shay Skylar. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you are a new subby? I haven't said that in a long time. Y'all just don't, because I literally threw on this wig last night. A 28-inch 427 straight wig to review, and I haven't even taken it out of this little net, but it's giving what it's supposed to give. The hairline's giving. I'm not bleaching. I'm not doing nothing but styling this, okay? So she is 28 inches. So she is long, okay? Her highlights are gorgeous. I'm kind of nervous, y'all. So she comes pre-plucked, as you can see here. All right, and this is how she looks. The lace is giving, so gotta hand it to him with that. And she is a 13 by 4, I believe. So, you know, we got that parting space here. You know, it's a little shorter around the edges, but that's what these wigs are giving all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on my mannequin head. And she is straight, honey. And we're gonna figure out how we're gonna style her and all that good stuff. But first things first, we're gonna go ahead and take this unit off. And like I said, I literally threw this unit on. This is gonna be my Mexican unit. My Mexico unit. So I need to wash her and get her together. But for this one, we're gonna go ahead and do the ball cap method because I did not do that last night. So I'm just gonna take this cap that I already had on, and y'all know the routine. I am not going to film this part, okay? But what I am gonna say again is make sure that you subscribe to my channel, okay? I am showing y'all the inexpensive wigs. This one is very inexpensive. I'll put the price right here. And the wig itself, where I purchased it from on Amazon, is going to be in the description box. So I will come back once my perimeter is all set and ready to go, so I can go ahead and put the wig on. But I'm very excited, y'all. You know how what a good wig is, you know, once you just get a glimpse at it. So I feel like this one is about to do what it's supposed to do. But yeah, we're just putting this all along the perimeters, and then I'm gonna let this dry. And like I said, then I'll come back and go ahead and show y'all the wig. Well, this is what we have. And like I said, the lace is really, really nice. It is giving. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up so I can see exactly what I am doing. All the way around and rub it in, comb it in, and rub it in. It's already giving scalp around, but let's look at this length because it's 28 inches and it's giving. Y'all see this? It's long. Come through. Let me brush it so y'all can see. Yeah, she is long. So we're gonna let that sit for 15 minutes and then I will come back. I love this curling iron because the barrel is super big and allows me to take big pieces. But y'all, curls. I'll run my finger through so we can see what is giving. If you are feeling this unit, let me know. I have to get used to this color, y'all. Like, it's a lot. This is a lot. It's like bright. But I'm gonna rock with it, see how long I rock with it. But thanks for watching. Bye.